Welcome my friends, and those joining for the first time. Journey with me back in time to when Disney created the romantic story of Sleeping Beauty. When Princess Aurora was young, she grew up in the woods, raised as a peasant girl named Briar Rose by three good fairies Flora, Fauna, and Merryweather. In this video you will learn about and see how to draw the fairy called Merryweather. If you are to follow along and draw the character, please pause or slow the video as needed. If you wish not to draw, relax and enjoy the story of Merryweather as she is created before your eyes. Merryweather is a little bit of a downer. She is very opinionated and tells the other fairies that she'd like to turn Maleficent into a fat old hop toad. She's the shortest, the roundest, and the youngest of the three fairies. She is the most aggressive of the fairies and is bolder and feistier than the other two. The fairy godmothers, also guardians, attended baby Aurora's christening to present their gifts to her. As Merryweather is about to give Aurora the gift of happiness, Maleficent makes her appearance and curses the princess to die when she pricks her finger on a spinning wheel spindle before sunset on her 16th birthday. It is Merryweather who softens the curse on Aurora, changing the consequence of pricking her finger from death to an eternal slumber that can only be broken by true love's kiss. Merryweather dresses all in blue, her favorite color. If you enjoy the format of this video to learn about Disney characters, please comment, like and subscribe. I apologize for the time between the posting of videos. Each video of this caliber takes approximately 15 to 20 hours to create, which limits the number I can post within a month. As you can see, it is a culmination of creation of the drawing, graphic design, music and sound effects, as well as AI voice injection for a better cinematic presentation. Thank you and hope to see you again.